Ingegan na ganang kaya pa ng papakit yung pungeni. Ang ima, ang pokaring kapatadyo, akakit na puring anak. At sigurado marakal kung na anong gawan yung karing makatway, iya mo nang ang gawan dati kayo. At makalanda.
She was our friend, our cheerleader, our counselor, our protector, our cook, our nurse, and the glue which keeps the family together.
Dati nung bata pa kami, palagi nung uuwi kami ni Lajen doon. Sabay, nandun kami sa bahay niya dati na masaya lang palagi. Sabay palagi mo kami pinapakain. Yung pinakaunang tanong na tinatanong mo sa amin is, anong gusto nyo kainin mamaya? And palagi yung binibigay lahat ng pagkain na gusto namin.
I'm gonna be a perfect son. But thank you, Mama, for being a perfect mother.
Everything's perfect. And I hope you enjoyed your party. We are 20 and hopefully 95. Sabi ko, mag 100 ka pa para meron tayong 1 million, 100,000.
Perfecto, but we love you very much. We have a lot of common mama. Wala nang tawag dito. Pareho kami pala simba talaga. Which is lagi namin. Masasabi ko lang kay mother, pagpatuloy mo, enjoy, relax, at saka panalangin sa taas. And ang pinaka-paborito mo is Dino. Okay, happy birthday, Mother. I love you.
You know, a mother's love is unconditional. Do you believe in that saying? Yes. Kasi si mama ko, yun ang binigay niya sa akin, unconditional love. Happy birthday, Ma. Happy 90th and many more birthdays to come. Love you.
I'm forever grateful. Happy birthday.
Ma.
Lalo kong masaya kung pinagkamutan ako yung babo. Das magpapay dari makanyan. At tigil kay na naman, pasalamat ko, nandili na akong malukudan na Nakasalamat kayo kami.